first thing I'm gonna do is just get you to stand right beside here. Okay, just give me a bit of room for there.
I see what you're doing.
Right here should be fine, right? Because you want it to be about like mid-chest when you're gonna be doing it. So what number is that? Under 8? Cool, perfect. So we're gonna remove these guys. I'm just gonna put you on your 10-pound that you do to see how it feels, and then we'll be able to kind of increase the weight from there. So a few pointers for this one. Okay. Again, mind you, they're gonna be a little bit lower for me, so just imagine they're mid-chest, all right?
You're going your knees.
Yeah. Okay. So you wanna have a slight bend into your arm when you're pulling it. You don't want to be fully extended like that, okay? So you wanna have a slight bend in your arm, and you wanna be standing up tall, so head up, and then chest out. And all I want you to do from here is you can feel the tension, just take a little step forward, right? If needed, bring it in like this, take a little step forward, and then you can kind of open your arms. Okay, again, slight bend in the arm, you don't want it to be straight, hurt your elbows and your shoulder. Slight bend from here, and all you want to do is imagine you have like an orange or a pencil and you're just trying to squeeze it in between, right? So you come here and then squeeze with that slight bend in the elbow. Now, one thing I want you to notice is my shoulders are tucked back. So my shoulders are tucked back the whole way back. Feel the stretch in your chest and then come in. So what a lot of people do, they're trying to do this. They're trying to get that little extra reach. We don't need a little extra reach, right? All we need is a good squeeze together. So shoulders down and back, stretch, squeeze, all right? And then when you're ready to finish it off, just bring it in, take a step back,
okay.
All right? Just a safer way to step into it, all right? So I think it is 8 to 12.
Yes.
Yeah, so again, we'll just start with the 10 pounds that you typically do, see how it feels. We'll count it as one set, okay? So bring it in, and then like take a little step, there you go. Perfect, so if you want to, you can put your arms out, okay, slight bend, all right? And then you're gonna open shoulders down and back, there you go. And then boom, bring it together, squeeze the chest, there you go. 2, I'm gonna have to go in front of the camera for this one, but 3, perfect, shoulders down and back. How's that feeling?
Good.
Good, you feel the stretch in your chest, here?
Yes.
Okay. 8, you can go up to 12, I think you can go up to 12. 9, shoulders down. 10, 11, control, 12. All right, now bring it back into the center of your chest and then walk back with it. I think I'll just lower it one little bit on it because it's bringing you pretty high for the chest, but it's getting a bit more like a front shoulder. So yeah, we'll just knock it down one, so below the 9 basically. Yeah, exactly. I think that'd be better because your elbows are really, really coming high. So you want it to be high, but just not as high like this. So it's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. You did 12, so we'll go a little bit heavier. I would like to see, let's try 15. Try 15, all right? See how that feels. Because after that 12, you could have done probably another like 5 more. So it tells me you can go up a bit. 15, I think will knock you down to like 11, 12, like a proper 11, 12. Yeah. So, a few things. Right, so big breath. And then when you're breathing out, squeeze the muscle. All right?
Okay.
Cool. Let's go for another one. Yeah, so bring it in, step in. All right, nice, slow and control. So press it forward, and then open nice and slow, be in control. There you go, up, bring it back up. There you go. It's your stance, all right? It's gonna pull you back. 2, good job. 3, big breath, big breath. 4, there you go. 5, you feel it in your chest? Mm-hmm. 6, 7, shoulders down. 8, good job. All right, bring it in and walk back with it. I think 8 is perfect. We found our weight. Good job, how'd that feel?
Good.
Harder?
Yes, definitely harder.
Okay, awesome. So I know what most people fear when they're going back. It's like going too far back and kind of feel it in the front of the shoulder. So one way to get the stretch without having to go far back is if you just bring the chest up.
Okay.
So if you bring the chest up, you'll feel the stretch here. If you're down, you might have to like go further to feel it, and that's when you start to feel some tension in the front of your shoulder. So if you just like, you stand tall, maybe you have a string here, and then chest out, you'll feel the stretch like right here. You won't need to go all the way back there to feel it.
Okay.
All right. So anytime you want to train a muscle properly, you just want to stretch it and contract it. So it's one thing to stretch the muscle, but then you go into like the tendons and the ligaments if you go too far back. We don't want that. So yeah, just proper posture, you'll get there before you go all the way back. Like let's even go down to 12.5 just to get you to be a bit more in control and comfortable with the movement. Because I can tell you were like worried about going too far back.
And I don't know if I've ever done like this setup like this.
Yeah, it's different than dumbbells.
Because the dumbbells, because it's like, I know I focus on not doing it straight. Of
up, yeah. And but the thing is, the dumbbell is like gravity is always going to go down, but this is kind of pulling you a little bit to the side, right? It's kind of opening things up and forcing you a little bit. All right. Let's go for the third one. Push it in. If you want to, you can switch the leg just to kind of switch your stance.
Quick little interruption to the video. I want to give you a free gift. So I wrote a few emails to help you improve your body composition. So I'm telling you exactly how to figure out your calories, your protein goal. I'm going to share with you 101 exercise videos that I personally recorded with a workout plan in there, a meal plan, some guidance on how to structure your mindset so that you can succeed in your transformation to help you lose the next 3 to 5 pounds for free on me. So all you have to do is sign up for the link down below. It'll be at the top of the description, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah. Slight bend in the elbow. There you go. Squeeze. There you go. Big breath. Breathe out. Big breath. Breathe out. Big breath. Breathe out. Go slower. Go in control. 5. There you go. Come on. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right, now focus on putting your shoulders down. Down. Ooh, it feels different. Come on. Let's go 2 more. Shoulders down. Good job. All right, bring it in and then step back. Good job. Alrighty, I'm gonna punch in your weights so Nick knows you're putting in the work. Okay, so I think you did 12 reps of 10 pounds, then you went up to 15. Hey, we're kind of, let's go. That's what it looks like to figure out a weight anyways. You'll kind of try different things. So you did 8 at 15. You just did, I think it was like 9 or 10 you did in this one. I'll give you 10 instead of 9. 12.5. 12.5 pounds. Let's do one more at 12.5.
Okay.
And then as you feel more comfortable with it, we can maybe test 15 again on that last one, right? Because a big part is also trusting your own body that if it goes here, you can kind of bring it back. Yeah. Where do you feel it the most on this one? Where's the pain? Well, the tension.
Right here, I think.
Okay, cool. That's where we want it.
Good.
All right.
It's always good to hurt.
If you tell me your right knee, I know we're doing something wrong. All right. Also bring it in. There you go. So again, shoulders down and back. Big breath. Breathe out. There you go. I don't want to see you to put your arms straighter, like don't put them fully straight, but keep a slight bend in them. As you bring them back, try and keep them a little straighter.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Like almost if you're to pull them out straight, but keep that little bend. Feel the difference in tension? Yeah. Okay, let's go for 3 more. Good job. Breathe in. 2. Let's do 2 more. That was easy.
Nothing?
2 more, 2 more. Now, shoulders down. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Nice. All right, bring it in. Walk back. Awesome. All right, we'll try 15 on the last one. We'll try just go for 8 for that last one, all right?
Okay.
Awesome. Easy stuff. Yeah, drink some water, stay hydrated. All right, 12.5. We need about 10 this one. All right, last one we'll try 15. Perfect. How's the body feeling?
Good.
Yeah? Okay. All right. That means you gotta push it more. Okay. You got upright row, inverted row, shoulder raise. We'll probably do like a cable for your row instead of an inverted. I think it'll be more fun. We'll find a fun way to do it.
Yeah, a couple times when instead of doing the
inverted row, yeah.
Okay. It's
also
like
called Australian rows because
Okay.
they're on the other side of the world.
Is I've been in a gym where there's been a TRX.
Yeah, that works too.
If the other stuff is busy, then I'll.
Yeah, it'll be a bit less tension because you're at a 45 versus like a fully reverse. You don't have your whole body weight, but it's basically, like the bands that they have there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, last one. So the thing that I want is when you're at that bottom piece here, when you start to go down, like really stay in control and like put all your energy into like keeping this tight here and then bring it in, right? Because that's the part that's like the scariest for the most part. It was when you get to that bottom. So just like really be in control and then bring it back. Okay. All right, we're only doing 800. Okay. In. There you go. As soon as you feel a little bit of that stretch, you can go back. You don't have to go as far back. There you go. 2. Let me show you this. 3. Big breath. 4. Nice. 5. Good job. 6. 2 more. Big breath. In control. Control. 7. 1 more. Control, control, control. Come on. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Nice. All right, bring it in. Walk back. All right.
My muscles are quivering.
I can tell that one hit different. I can. Good. Awesome.